Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna do this video real quick. You minivan owners or any car that utilize battery terminals like this, be extremely careful dealing with these battery terminals. They are very sensitive. You should not be using impacts, electric drill, anything like that on these battery terminals. Reason being, because you cannot replace these battery terminals independently by themselves. You will have to get a complete engine wiring harness. Now take a look at this. With this battery all the way on, with this terminal, with this connector all the way on and tighten, the battery connection is still loose. That is not good. You will get all kinds of battery fault codes and alternator codes. So what I want to leave with you is this tip. If you're dealing with your battery terminals, please only use either a wrench or a socket, because I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you something. With these grooves, the way they design is the nut is beveled. Okay, so if you take the nut off, you will see how it's beveled, and what it does is create or eliminate space between the nut and this bracket right here, which as you tighten it down, it just closes the clamp up. Okay, if that is worn down, no matter how much you tighten this battery terminal, it will not tight. It will be loose like that, and you will essentially need the complete wiring harness. So as you can see from that picture in the beginning of this video, it costs $1,100 to replace this battery wiring harness. So again, tip is to do not use electric drills or impacts on these battery terminals. They are sensitive. Only tighten them up with a wrench or a socket. Okay, now I'm gonna have to find a way to make some decent connection with this, because this lady do not have $1,100. That is extremely loose. All the way tightened down is loose. Okay, so I want to keep this video short, man. Thanks for watching, and be careful when you're dealing with these battery terminals, because they will cost you if you make the wrong move and cause the wrong damage on it. All right, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.